Alright, this is the elevator at Macy's, Walden, Galleria, Cheektowaga, New York. Like these Adams fixtures. Adams Survivor. Ooh, a sick chime. Go to 2, UL. Here, UL. There's emergency phone. Going down?
Yes.
All right. I've got the door.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Minnesota elevator. There you go. I got the door for you right here.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Have a good one.
Thank you.
And here we are, UL. Yep, this is Minnesota elevator. One.
Okay, who is this? Liqua? Okay, take it somewhere else though. Take it somewhere else then. Yes, yes. Okay.
Now let's close the door.
What you doing?
I'm just doing elevator enthusiast. I just did a lot of hobbies here. And that's all.
Okay, that's cool.
Okay, thank you. Let's get a cab view. Although it's a really nice elevator. These are your Adams Survivor fixtures. And there it goes. And that's it.